It's an extreme selfish spirit going on. It's an extreme selfishness going on. Where people are only worried about themselves. People are only worried about themselves. It's an extreme selfish spirit happening. People no regard for one another. People running red lights, stop signs, and everything. Not caring, nobody else's well-being. Businesses and all, and businesses in the workplace, it's an extreme selfish spirit. Nobody care. Nobody have love for one another anymore. Even in the family. But I know people see it. And well, people, the ones who lost, which is I see like 90% of people, they don't even realize they got a selfish spirit on them. It's like they have become literally, almost like a zombie. They don't realize what has happened. Their minds have been altered. It's like if you're awake, you can see it, but if you sleep, you just have to rest up. It's like you in a trance. That's what it is. You in a trance, and the poisons, uh, and the poisons, uh, they put in that they have in the food and what's in the sky, what's all around is getting worse. I mean, it's helping it. It's helping the trance. And if you're not awake, you can't see it. All you know, you look around. Nobody, people don't even like to speak to each other anymore. Everybody just thinking about themselves, driving and everything. I heard people say you have to drive for other people. People don't even they just cutting in front of people, jumping in front of people, running red lights, uh, violent crashes, and they can see crashes and still want to speed and drive crazy. People people don't even want to be they people don't want to unite anymore. You can try to tell them all day, they still don't want to. And as everything getting tighter, the selfish spirit getting stronger. That's how I know in the end. The disciples talked about this in the Bible. I know in Second Timothy chapter 2, Second Thessalonians chapter 2. It's a selfish spirit. Everybody care about them gaining and nobody else. But nobody else. It's about me. They don't care who they screw over. And that's 100%. They don't care who they screw over. Just about them. But the love is going away very, very, very slowly but surely. People try to say it's here, love still here, all this and that. It's going away. People total dependence on it's total selfishness. People rob and steal from each other, just thinking about themselves. They don't care about nobody else's life. Or if you take this from their person, that's all they get. People they take from you, steal your car, and don't care about what you be going through or whatever. time we in is so serious, we don't even realize.